guys, it's me, Riley, if you don't already know, and today, after a 10-month hiatus, that was a loud clap. Today, after a 10-month hiatus, I have some more mediocre content just for you. So, I have filmed my morning routine / get ready with me video. I don't usually get ready or do anything during the day, but if I did have somewhere to go or something to do, this is how I would get ready if I cared what I looked like when I go out. So, time to get into that. If you guys would like to see more videos from me, please give it a like and subscribe if you aren't already subscribed. Let's hope I can do at least one video a week. I kind of want to aim for 3, but we all know how my plans worked out in the past. So let's aim for 1, okay? So yeah, let's get this video started. Wow.
Okay, so obviously the first thing I'm going to be doing in the morning is wake up. And as you can see, it's a little bit late, but at least I bothered to get up today.
Wow, 11:17. That's pretty good. Woke up before noon today.
And then the next thing that I'll do is just take out my phone and check to see if I have any notifications. Usually I have none, as you can see here, but at least my wallpaper is cute. And then when I finally decide to put my phone down, I get out of bed and then I make my bed. And here's me contemplating life. Do this sometimes. And then after I'm done making my bed, I'll get up and go take a shower. Before I take a shower, I usually like to brush my teeth with my 2-step whitening toothpaste by Crest. The first step is the purifying cleanser, and the next step is the, wait for it to focus, perfecting gel. And once I'm done brushing my teeth, I'll just turn on the shower water and hop on in. So the first thing I'll do is just shampoo my hair with this shampoo by Nexxus. And after that, I will cleanse my face with this cleanser by Cetaphil. And the last thing I do is condition my hair with this conditioner by Nexxus. It's the matching one to the shampoo. And then I will just grab my towels, dry off, and then I'm done. And after I'm all clean, it's time to get dressed. And once I'm dressed, I will soon notice that my hair needs a little bit of taking care of too. So here's my brush. I'm very proud of it, as you can see. It's a wet brush and it has lots of cute designs on it. And after I brush my hair, it's time for my makeup. And as you can see, here's me trying to sit down without giving you guys a up the skirt view, you know. We Gucci. So the first thing I'll take is my Tarte Flirt palette. I've had the original Tarte palette before, but I like this one for all the reds in it. So the first color I'll take is this color, this bronzy red color. I can't see what it's called because it didn't focus, but that one. And I'll rub it all over my lid.
Ah, yes, beautiful.
And so I'll just smear that all over with my finger because I'm a professional makeup artist. And then I'll take the light shade in the upper left corner, put a dot in the center of my eye, and smooth that out too. With my fingers, of course. Then I'll take this one. I actually know this one. It's called Snuggle. And I'll put it in my outer corner and blend it through my crease. See? Look, I am a professional. I can use professional terms. So then I'll just like rub that around a little bit and make it blend a little bit more. as you can see, I am 100% a professional makeup artist, and you should follow this makeup tutorial every day. Okay, so here's actually where my camera decided to cut off, but I'm pretty sure you guys know how to do mascara, eyeliner, and lipstick, so it's fine if we skip this. I just used the Clump Crusher by CoverGirl for mascara, and the Intense Ink Eyeliner by e.l.f. for eyeliner. And for lips, I used my Red Puka Lipstick by Cara Diem. Then I'll just look in the mirror for a little bit, decide if I did good enough, and then I'm done. Now that my makeup is done, I can now show you guys my outfit. So the t-shirt I have on is actually from Walmart, but it's a really good t-shirt. Walmart is a good brand and it is valid. And this jean dress, I'm not sure where I got it. It's probably from Forever 21 or H&M. I might have it in a haul video, so I'll check that, and if I'm wrong, I'll put it in the corner. For shoes, I'll likely wear my sandals from Target. I always get a pair of black sandals every year, I think, but I really like these ones this year. And so here's me taking selfies. If I ever put in the effort to make my face look nice, I will probably take a selfie because this is a rare occasion. And I actually put these selfies on my Instagram. I'll leave it in the description. It's just at Riley Meow. And it would really, follow it. And the next thing I'll do is make my breakfast. And I'll just pop 2 pieces of toast in the microwave. And then I'll move over to the stove to make my eggs. First, I'll start with spraying the pan, of course. And then I will crack my egg in a cup. A little bit bad at cracking eggs, but it's okay. Then I'll stir them up. What I also like to do is add cheese into my eggs, so I just put that directly in my cup. And I stir that up too. When my toast is done, I'll just take that out. And then I'll test the stove a little bit.
Hurry up, egg.
I feel like the music's gonna stop right as you say that. And then you'll just hear, hurry up, egg. And then it'll go back to the music.
I mean, probably.
And this might be in it. Like, this conversation might be in
Might be.
Wow.
So then when the stove is heated up, I'll just pour the rest of my egg on there. And with the way I make my eggs, I just kind of like stir them up a little bit until they get all the way cooked. And then they're done. I'll just sprinkle a little bit of salt on there for some extra taste. And my camera actually cut off here, but I just take one of the pieces of toast and put the egg on it, and then on the other one I will put strawberry jam. Usually I'll just sit in my living room to eat, and sometimes my dog comes over and sits with me too. Usually she just wants my eggs though.
Maggie, come over here. Maggie, don't smell the tripod. Come over here. Come be in the video. Hello, how are you today? You want egg? Peter, don't come after me if dogs can't eat egg. Wow, you get your egg and then you leave me? Do not love me. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please, if you haven't, like the video and subscribe because I will be posting more this summer. I don't know about the fall, but this summer I definitely plan to work more on this channel, and let's hope it doesn't die just like the rest of every aspect of my life. So thank you guys for watching. I think I already said that, but hope you liked it. Bye! Wow.